In this video, I'm going to show you another potential winning product and do some competitor and content research. Let's play the video. So you get the idea. This is a 3-in-1 charging cable. Let's do some competitor research, and for that we just have to click on this button, and what this is going to do is this is going to use these images and do reverse image search. Let's see if someone is selling on Shopify, Amazon, or anywhere else. As we can see, there is no competition for this product so far which is using these images. Okay, let's do some content research, and for that we just have to take the title of this product, go back to Super Elite dashboard, paste the title here, select videos only. In the advanced filters, select import date as all time and hit search. Now as we can see, there are 4 listings which are which currently have some sort of video in it. So if you understand the market well and if you would like to give this product a try, definitely go ahead and let me know how it works out for you, and I'll see you in the next video.